All right. Leetcode problem 2038. Remove colored pieces if both neighbors are the same color. There are n pieces arranged in a line, and each piece is colored either A or B. You're given the string colors of length n, where colors of I is the color of the ith piece. Alice and Bob are playing a game where they take alternating turns removing pieces from the line. In this game, Alice moves first. Alice is only allowed to remove a piece colored A if both its neighbors are colored A. She is not allowed to remove pieces that are colored B. Bob is only allowed to remove a piece colored B if both its neighbors are also colored B. He is not allowed to remove pieces that are colored A. Alice and Bob cannot remove pieces from the edge of the line. That would make sense because they have to be surrounded on both sides. If a player cannot make a move on their turn, that player loses and the other player wins. Assuming Alice and Bob play optimally, return true. If Alice wins, return false if Bob wins. Full disclaimer, I did not initially know how to solve this, and I looked at a solution. The thing that you have to realize is, and this should have been obvious to me, is that neither Alice nor Bob can affect the other's outcomes. And the choices that Alice and Bob have while they're making removals don't actually affect anything. Yeah, Alice moves first. See, all of the spaces fill in. So basically, each player has a predetermined number of moves that they can make. It's as simple as that. You just have to count what those moves are. So, let's see if we can do this. We'll say it's A's equals I for I in colors dot split B if I, and then A or B underscore S BS, like this game. Okay, and so then we should have basically a bunch of independent sets of things that can be removed from. I'll show you. Return true. Run. Okay, so AA, oh, there's no B's. Okay, so that's case 2. Alice has her first turn. There's only 2 A's. Both are on the edge, so she cannot move. So therefore, she loses. All right. So now we need to calculate the number of moves. Number of moves Alice, and then number of moves Bob. So it's going to be colors.count A minus 2 times length A of S. So in other words, all of the A's minus the edges of each of the groupings. And then this is going to be the same thing down here. Wait, what did I do? What did I do? Except it's going to be for the B's. Now, let's see. If they both have 0, then Alice loses. If NMA minus NMB is lesser than or equal to 0, then return false. Is that it? Did I do that right? Hopefully I did that right. Guess we'll find out. Interesting. Because this was a complete grouping, it counted as a -1. Embarrassing. But fixable. Use test case, run. Invalid syntax, what? Oh. You knew what I meant. Interesting. Oh, because we're okay. Trying to think here. Sum of length of AS. No. Sum of length of I for I in AS. Wow, I'm doing a terrible job. Run. Length of been hiking all weekend, I'm tired. Okay. Work. Yay! Really? Beats 93.71%? Okay, whatever. I mean, alternatively, you could have just done a simulation where you, actually make the removals. Okay, I already submitted that, so I guess we're good. Okay, that's that.